Hello everyone, welcome to Bran'sTech. How are you all? So this is the unboxing of the UBeesize tripod. And let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing I want to note is that when I got this from Amazon, it came in multiple boxes within boxes within boxes. So I went ahead and stripped it down to just the primary box and went even further and took it out of that packaging as well, so I could just get the primary bag and the unboxing of that. Now let's get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start by unzipping this little pouch. Unzip it all the way down. Once you do that, you can go ahead and begin taking the tripod out of the bag itself. And that's what I'm doing now, and be careful not to drop it. Also within the bag, there is a mount for your phone. I'll put that off to the side. You have the instructional manual. I'll put that off to the side as well. A little box, I'll get to that in a second. And of course, the little gel. Throw that away. Well, do not throw away. I'll put it off to the side. And that should be what's left inside the bag. And I'm gonna go ahead and set the bag over in this corner. And now we have the tripod. And for the most part, it's all pretty much hooked up together. And it does have little adjustable feet, which I really do like so far. And like I said, this is the UBeesize TR60-BK. I'm gonna set that over here and look at. So in this box, and I've actually opened this box previously, but did not get a chance to fully look at it. You actually get a remote. From what I believe how the remote works, is that you can hook it up to your smart device and be able to remotely start the shutter for both Android and iOS. And of course I use Android, and I really cannot wait to use this feature. It seems really cool. And in case you cannot figure it out, you turn it on by flipping this little switch and it'll start flashing blue for, I believe, Bluetooth, and then it'll remain solid as it tries to connect. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off so I don't waste battery. I believe this is where you would. And I did check, all of this is indeed explained in the user guide. And now to remove the mount for your phone. And now we're moving it like so. And here we go. And once you take it off, you can simply place it on the tripod, so that way you are more easily able to use your device to be able to record as opposed to a camcorder, and use the adjustable frame to be able to change it to whichever stance you'd prefer it to be on. And you can just use the knob to tighten it up as you please. And as I forgot to mention this, there is a Bluetooth remote guide within the box. So if you need to figure out how to use it, go ahead and check that. And that pretty much wraps us up. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch y'all next time.